are welcome to Safubafo's Shito Educational Complex School, P.O. Box, Yawadioye. Today we are going to prepare Kobe or Tilapia Shito. The English name for Kobe is Tilapia Enchirinchemu. First of all, we are going to put the tilapia in salted water. Put little salt in the water, not too much. Let the tilapia sleep in the salted water while seasoning your kakadro. After peeling the ginger and the onion and the garlic, then we are going to fry the tilapia, aka Kobe. We are going to fry sliced or chopped onion first. Immediately you put the sliced onion in, let the tilapia follows. I am frying the tilapia in the oil that I'm going to use for the shito. So while frying it, blend your onion, garlic, pepper, and ginger. Add little water to help the blender to blend it. Don't worry about the water. We are going to dehydrate it later. After blending everything together, put it on fire. We are going to let the water dehydrate it. This is another method of making shito. While the blended mixture is being cooked, we are removing the fried tilapia. Please make sure you remove all the bones from the oil. While removing the fried tilapia, try to push out some of the tilapia inside the oil and remove the bones. After removing the bones and the tilapia from the hot oil, please switch off the fire or remove the oil from the fire and reduce the temperature a little bit before putting the blended or the cooked mixture into the oil. Don't remove the onion fried with the tilapia, but only remove the bones. Shito needs nkamusa, and also try to reduce the temperature. If you hide the temperature, the under is going to burn, so try to stir it occasionally or regularly. After adding the blended and dehydrated mixture, add your tin tomato or tomato paste. In making shito, you don't need too much tin tomato or tomato paste. Let it continue to noir or cook for some time, and also continue to stir it from time to time. After cooking for some time, add your shrimp powder. If you want to know how to make your own shrimp powder without any anya, type in Safubafo shrimp powder and it will take you there. Google. After adding your shrimp powder, add your fish powder. Also, I have made videos on how to make your own fish powder without any anya. After adding your shrimp and the fish powder, add your bay leaf. And also, I added rosemary. The rosemary, you can add it raw like that, or you can decide to blend it. It is good to blend it or to chew it in ayuamu. After everything, add salt to taste according to how you want it to chemu. After adding the salt, stir it and then lower the temperature. From here, you can go and seek permission from the fire service and then go and sleep. If you don't have permission from the fire service, then you have to stay inside the kitchen and wait till it becomes dark black. While waiting for it to become dark, continue to stir it. If you don't, the under is going to burn. If it burns, it is going to taste bitter. After everything being successful, enjoy from your sweat. The devil tempts every man, but an idle man tempts the devil. If you are watching me and you don't have job, this you are watching is job opportunity.